Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy F05. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on all services, and then you have to find parental controls. Now click let's do this and click sign in. And now you have to enter your lock screen pattern. And now you have to enter your child email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Then click accept. And click on supervise. Now click on next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your password. Now click next. Then click allow. Then click next again. And click done. And as you can see, my parental controls are now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.